How to set up Spectrum Wi-Fi pods. First of all, make sure your Spectrum internet is active and working properly, because a stable connection is necessary for the Wi-Fi pods to perform well. Also, check that your Spectrum Wi-Fi pods are compatible with your current router model. After that, download and install the Spectrum app on your mobile device. This app will help you set up and manage your Wi-Fi pods easily. Once ready, plug in the first Wi-Fi pod near your Spectrum modem. This main pod will act as the gateway for the rest of your pods. Then, connect the additional pods to power outlets in different parts of your home. Try to place them in open and central areas to avoid signal drops and ensure full coverage. Next, open the Spectrum app, sign in with your account, and follow the on-screen instructions to add and configure your pods. You can rename each pod based on its location, like living room or bedroom, to make management easier. Once connected, use the app to monitor network performance, check connected devices, and perform speed tests. So this is how to set up Spectrum Wi-Fi pods. Like and subscribe if this helped.